Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Ke District Congress Committee West Garo Hills kala Kynnoh bagi Pulit kilale AA Tang Halor ke Ejahar balai de seng NPP Halor ke Jingjia ke Janmi jo ke Singi Balang hakawai ke Jaka Rajabala hadin balakut ke jelap election. Kat kum ki kubor la ong bakaladon ke jia kan art but ke jia ketakti apreng ki dong kersyan ke NPP but Congress but kane kalaja kapor kumbasau buje shaneng but hakane ke jia kan art la don ru ke bala mensau but ke bala hapsha sumar ha hospital. Nagaliang ke seng Congress but NPP kiladap ai Ejahar Halor kane ke Jingjia ndai ko Congress kala Kynnoh bagi Pulit kilale AA Tang Halor ke Ejahar bala ai de ke NPP. Hagasngi pale President ke District Congress Committee jong ke West Garo Hills Zainat M Sangma ubadai MLA ulalit ai de ke Jingtho show returning officer ke Rajabala constituency hakaba la kentu badai benle AA Halor ke Ejahar bala ai de ke seng Congress Hathanat Rajabala. Laban kedo banagaliang ke Congress ke Ejahar kala Kynnoh bagi nong Krisyan jongka katba gidang wan pai na Jingalang ke Singi Balang kila syak kawang mau bat syak takti ke nong Krisyan ke NPP. Katba ke NPP kala Kynnoh badai ke nong Krisyan ke Congress ke belas sedang menpinsyit tak batari ke poster belata akamat ke yeng jong wei unong Krisyan ke NPP.
We have submitted a petition addressing to the returning officer for the by-election, and the copy of which has been forwarded to the General Observer and the Chief Electoral Officer and the District Election Officer, and also to the enforcing agency, that is police, the SP. This petition has been submitted to get justice, which can in turn ensure free and fair election. Because what happened yesterday, there was clash between two groups, that is Indian National Congress group and the NPP group. So in the clash, what happened, we never know. But justice has to be given, because there has been pelting of stones on many people, then lots of injuries, including head injuries, which were compelled to be hospitalized. Then on this, we have filed FIR, and we were told that even NPP, their group has also filed FIR. But on the contrary, what happened? The police has acted on only the FIR filed by the NPP group, and they have not acted on the FIR filed by the Congress party, the Congress supporters. It amounts to be seen as being partial. So in the eyes of the law and the general observation of the people at large is that there is partiality in the enforcing the law. Therefore, during election, this should not be there. There has been circulation that the police is in favor of the ruling party, and that shouldn't be the perception. So this action of the police is creating vitiating environment which will affect the free and fair election and creating fear psychosis among the people. So our appeal is the police should act on both the FIR and necessary action to be taken to ensure free and fair election.